To check what uses most of your battery in Motorola Signature, first of all, you will need to open settings on your phone. Next step is to scroll down and here select battery. After that, we can go to battery usage, and that way you can check your battery usage from last 24 hours or last 14 days, which I would recommend to select. Then you can click on each of those statistics for specific days and see which app used most of the battery during the time. So for example, right here we can see that Perplexity used 1% of my battery, but for me those statistics aren't clear because I'm mostly having a settings open and none of the other apps should drain my battery. But for you, if you're using apps, you should see them on this list and see which one is actually causing most of the battery consumption. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.